Did you know that many reports of damp that the council receives from tenants are actually caused by household condensation? When moisture in the air comes into contact with a cold surface like a window or a wall, it condenses into water droplets. If condensation isn't dealt with, it can lead to mould growing on walls, furniture, and even on your clothes. It's important that your home is well ventilated to prevent too much water moisture building up in the air. This can be harmful to the health of you and your family. So, what are the causes of condensation? Drying damp washing inside, with doors and windows shut, and the radiators set to max. Without proper ventilation, cooking meals in the kitchen, and having a hot shower or bath are also causes of condensation. How can we prevent condensation? Move the furniture away from the walls to allow air to circulate. Use the trickle vents. Open the windows. Use the extractor hood when making meals. And use the bathroom extractor fan. Both of these appliances are cheap to run, costing only 7p a day. If you find any mould growing in your home, you can get rid of it easily by wiping down the walls with a fungicidal wash. These packs are available from the council. Simply call the repairs team on 01738 476 000